Everybody, a very good morning. It's a Saturday. How you doing? I'm hoping you all had a good start to the day. Mine was extremely early, so I'm hoping whoever has had a start of a Saturday had a great one, or is going to have a good one, and you have a good weekend and stuff. So to a bright Saturday morning, finally the sun is out. It's not playing hide and seek and stuff. It's extremely cold in Delhi. So keep yourself warm and stuff, and of course, get yourself charged up and rejuvenated with nice coffee for all the amazing positives of the coffee and everything. Okay. So, do you know DIY? DIY, do it yourself. It's a concept that we use pretty much in daily life, also in the world of design and creativity and stuff. DIY, do it yourself. So DIY is also used regularly as do it yourself. I say it a lot of times because I think it's very important that DIY in terms of doing it yourself, also in professional spheres, should become like applied on yourself first. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. I'm into interior solutions work and accessory designing and corporate gifting and stuff. A founder CEO, and my journey started in the corporate world. I've been in international business and branding, marketing, corporate communication. I've handled events and stuff, and I've been in global PR. I've been in advertising, and I've been a part and parcel of retail and stuff and all that. And at a very young age, at the age of 24, I had my own design firm and stuff, and I had the honor of working with great celebrities and stuff and good brands and everything. And then, of course, I've worked with some very good agencies, and I've got good exposure in branding, marketing, and PR and stuff. And what I learned along the way after switching over from all of that to retail, and of course, now becoming your own boss and doing your own stuff and being self employed and becoming an entrepreneur, the DIY logic applies the best. So DIY becomes something which is, when you open up social media or you're a part and parcel of the design world and stuff, all these designs, they come to you, do it yourself, maybe a design in terms of